I'm on my way to meet my new home buyer, Catherine, and her daughter, Nicole. And in honor of Lubbock, I'm bringing y'all my best cowboy. Just in time.
Oh my God.
Give me some love.
Look at you.
Hi,
You look so
Nicole.
great.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I love it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I did it just for you guys. How much are we spending on this beautiful home of yours?
I'd like to stay around $350,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any wiggle room there?
I could probably go up about $10,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll try to keep it around 350. So I'm anxious to meet with my local real estate agent.
Yes.
And together we'll team up and find you your dream Texas home.
There we go.
Yes, my dream Texas.
You're gonna have to get some of these outfits, honey.
I
We
do.
gotta get some.
Ooh, the spurts are jingle jangling.
Look at those boots. I love it.
Cute, right? So what do you guys think of the house and the neighborhood?
Well, I like it.
Yeah.
It's really cute on the outside.
I do like the wood.
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you a little bit about Chaparral Court.
Okay.
It's got 4 bedrooms. You're welcome.
All right.
3 bathrooms.
Oh, wow.
You're welcome.
Uh-huh.
A little over 2,200 square feet.
Okay.
Sits on a 1/4 acre. Sorry, they don't do anything small here in Texas.
They do not,
No, everything's bigger in Texas.
Everything's bigger in Texas. But you know what's not bigger in Texas? The price.
The price, yes.
$319,000.
That's crazy.
pretty good.
Isn't that nuts? Shall we go check it out?
Yes.
do it.
All right.
All right. Come on in, gorgeous ladies.
Oh, how cute. I
do
love
like
it. Nice.
I mean, look at how great. Like, lots of natural light coming in and the big,
Oh, I
tall
love that.
ceilings.
I do like
Yes,
this,
I do
the
like that.
beams.
The beam is nice.
Do you like open floor plans?
I do.
So we have an eat-in kitchen here. This is the
All right,
modern
perfect.
way of doing things. All right, come on into the kitchen.
All right.
It's super spacious, yeah?
It is, yes. Lots of cabinet space. I love it.
I like the counters.
I do too. I love this tile.
Isn't it fun? Yeah. Do you like the aesthetics in the house?
Yeah, it's kind of got a country feel, but maybe not too over the top.
Right,
Yeah.
it's kind of just a really nice blend. All right, so here we have an extra room, a little bonus
Cute.
room.
I
Oh, I
love
do like
it.
this.
Yeah,
Isn't it great?
It
Ooh,
is.
I like the brick.
Brick, mortar, and wood.
It is
Gotta
very
have it.
Texas, yes.
Yeah. All right, should we go see the great outdoors?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Ready to brave the heat
Oh, yes.
and the flies. Welcome to Texas. Come on out. I mean, look at this big backyard.
Oh, wow,
is
that's
huge.
really big. That is a big
Isn't this
backyard.
great? I would just
Yeah.
add a ton of trees.
I love this. This is really cute. Keeps the sun off of you.
So
Yeah.
you had said you wanted a covered space. A big reason why the price point's lower is because it doesn't have the built-in pergola. This is temporary. They did a really nice job.
They did, yeah. I like it.
How do you guys like the property? Contender?
It's a contender.
Strong
Good.
one, yeah.
Well, yeah, of course you want to see more.
Of
Yes.
course
Since
I
we're
do.
just getting
Yes.
started.
Yes.
So I know you love the open floor plan. Would you be open to something that's not as open?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why not?
Sure will.
Let's get out of this
Excited.
heat.
Yes.
It's not doing anything for my skin.
This is a really cute neighborhood.
All good?
Yes, all good.
All
I like
Wonderful.
it.
positive.
This house is beautiful.
Super stately, right?
Yes,
Tons
yes.
of brick. Let me tell you a little bit about it. Bears Britches has 5 bedrooms,
Oh my gosh.
3 bathrooms.
I'll definitely have to get someone to clean my house.
There you go. Now you're thinking. Over 2,700 square feet.
Oh, wow.
Want to hear the price?
Yes.
$349,950.
Oh my gosh,
You're
that's
welcome.
crazy. Wow.
$50 shy of your budget.
Oh my gosh.
that
wow.
nuts?
That is nuts.
Are we ready for this?
Yes.
Right.
All right.
Come on in, ladies.
Oh,
like the room.
nice. Look at all the space.
Isn't this great?
Oh, wow,
Yes.
this is big.
Totally different vibe, right?
Holy cow, yeah.
They chose to do this room as a formal dining room.
Uh-huh.
You can choose to do anything you want. Another like living space. You put a TV up here, huge sofa. Like there's so many options.
There's so many. We love options.
Let's take a gander at the kitchen.
Okay. Wow, it's nice and spacious. I love
It's
it.
great.
This is
isn't
bigger
it?
than I thought
this-
it was going to be.
It is bigger than I thought.
There's nothing small in this house.
Yeah, no, I can tell.
Very typical Texas.
Yes.
Yes, very, very. Nothing is small. Everything's big.
Catherine's kids and grandkids can make all the mess they want in the guest bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Downstairs to beat the Texas heat is Catherine's desired covered patio. I mean, how cute is this?
Oh, this is
really cute.
Great.
We have a pergola, which you didn't ask for, but
No,
here it is.
That's great.
And a very manageable backyard.
Extremely.
Like I said, extremely
I could
manageable.
mow this.
Right, without an electric thing.
Right.
You like the property?
I do.
So far, so
I
good,
do.
yeah.
It's really
Nice, right?
It's cute.
Tomorrow, give me a vibe you want me to go for.
Maybe one story, I think.
100%.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to get something to eat?
Yes.
Shall we? Well, we have to do it inside because it's weather.
Oh, I know.
I mean, look, is my makeup running?
Hey, how are you?
Isn't it adorable?
Yes.
I'm so glad you like it.
Yes, I do.
So
What do you
far,
think of
so
the
good.
neighborhood?
This
It's cute.
neighborhood is great.
It's brand new.
It is
It
brand
is.
new,
Right?
isn't it? We didn't even talk about a new build, but I'm glad you brought me to one.
Red Bud Ridge has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms.
All right.
It's a perfect sized home at 2,200 square feet.
Great.
Right?
size.
Yeah.
I did go quite a bit above all your prices.
Okay. All right. That's okay.
The price for the house is $369,000.
Oh, wow.
Does that freak you out?
Maybe a little bit, but you know.
Come on,
yeah,
let's
I'm
go be
looking
freaked
forward
out
to looking
together.
at it.
2-car garage, which we love.
Great. Yep.
Stonework is so cute.
I do like the stone.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
I like
Let's
the
see something
entryway.
new.
I do too.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is
Oh
nice.
my gosh.
I like this.
Isn't this fun?
Yes,
I
I
like
love. Oh my gosh.
This
Look
is
at
huge.
that.
We got drama.
We do definitely.
A lot of
There's
drama.
definitely character in this
Yes.
house.
I mean, and more drama over here with the fireplace.
Yes.
Built-ins.
Uh-huh.
Great for collectibles,
Yes.
Christmas.
Everything in this house is new and convenient. All on one floor, there are 2 guest bedrooms and a gorgeous bathroom with a double vanity in the same finishes as the rest of the house.
Oh, cute.
Covered
Oh,
porch.
yes. Oh yes, I like this a lot.
Isn't this great?
Yes. I like that there's a ceiling fan out here. That should help a little bit.
I
would
wish it
think.
were on.
Yes, I know. Me too.
I mean, look how nice the backyard is. Perfect size,
Manageable.
manageable. It does need some plantings.
It does.
Why don't you guys take a seat?
All right.
Oh, I like
You like the
these.
property? I can
I
tell.
do.
Yeah,
I
it's,
do.
it's hard not to love it, right?
It is, yeah.
But I know it's cresting on an uncomfortable financial situation for you.
Yeah. A bit.
Look where that $20,000 is going.
Right.
You know, brand new finishes, easy living, no projects,
None.
no maintenance.
None.
Lubbock is one of those really rare housing markets where it doesn't really fluctuate with everything else. So you have a little bit of time. I wouldn't wait forever. Be thoughtful about it.
Okay. All right, sure will.
Good?
Yeah.
Should we go walk around and see if there's anything worth spying on?
Yes, let's go.
Where are we going?
I have chosen Red Bud Ridge.
Good girl.
Yes.
You deserve it.
Thank you.
Absolutely. I expect to be at the housewarming. Oh.
So I ended up choosing Red Bud Ridge because even though it was a little bit over over my budget, I just decided to go for it. And I knew that this was gonna be my forever home.
I think that's cute.
It's kind of cute, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you have a container for this?
There was no doubt when I walked into this one that this was gonna be the one. It's just fantastic.
It's perfect.
Like it, huh?
Oh, perfect.
I have been able to meet a whole lot of people, and I'm glad that I moved here and I'm closer to my kids. It's nice not having to drive an hour and a half to pick her up at the airport.